Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Paris Jade activity for this time.
Yeah.
Yay! You vlog! Si Paris Jade ay nag-answer ng kanyang activity dito sa bahay dahil may mga assessment ang kanyang mga classmates sa school. So, ang kanilang mga activity ay dito na ngayon sa bahay ginagawa. Yay! Ayan. Oh, yung mga happy face and sad face, ituturo nila yung mga moment na yan doon sa may emoji kung saan may happy and sad. So, kapag happy yung nasa picture, happy yung ilalagay. Ituturo siya sa happy. And then, ito naman is babakatin nila yung smile. Ayan. Oh. After nilang bakatin yan, ay kukulayan na nila. Ayan. Dalawa yung emoji dito. Isang happy face and sad face. Ayan. Ang galing ni Paris, oh. Quiet. Keep quiet. Pangit naman yung ano mo eh. Hindi naman maintindihan yung sinasabi. Oh, paano na mag-voice over si mama? Kasi tingnan mo. Oh,
Mama.
ano ginagawa mo ngayon dyan?
Joe.
Oh, you draw. Oh. What is the color of that?
Wait.
What is the color? Oh. 'Di ba you color the smiley face? And that one is the sad face. Oh, what is the color of this?
Pink.
Oh, it's really pink. No, it's yellow. How about another one? Oh,
Again.
oh, what is the color?
Yellow.
How about this one?
What's that?
Oh, you can no doubt, 'di ba?
Orange.
Wow, orange. Very good.
Muscle ready.
Wow. Oh, look. Oh, it's already done. Wow.
Again.
Wow, beautiful na. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe. And follow na rin po sa ating YouTube channel.
Yay!